Alright, so I'm going to show you what the Shabbat kits look like. So when you're going to receive it, it's going to be like this packaged. Okay. You're gonna open it by pulling the strings. Very simple. You're gonna take this out. This is the instruction on how to use it. I think I made it pretty easy to understand, but if you don't understand it, I want you to please reach out to me. Over here, okay, you're going to see Shabbat rules, okay? So face must be clean and dry, no overlapping of colors, use different brushes for different colors, and you cannot use liquids and creams, okay? So those are the basic rules of applying makeup on Shabbat. Now here I am putting down the 4 steps on how to apply the basic way Shabbat makeup, and that is number 1, apply the blush first, and then apply the foundation around blush, line your eyes or apply eyeshadow, then apply lip color, and you're pretty much set. Now, if you'd like to see the tutorials, over here I'm actually showing you how to use it and how to do makeup in different ways. Now the first one is really good because you can actually apply false lashes. It's a little trick that you can put false lashes before the Shabbat or Yom Tov. And then as a tutorial on how to do your makeup. Over here, the second one is using 2 eyeshadows without overlapping. And over here, using 3 eyeshadows without overlapping. You can either scan the QR codes or you can just type this into your browser and the YouTube video will come up. And over here, the front, of course, it says Shabbat makeup step-by-step guide and video tutorials, the website, the social handles, that we are kosher for Passover use, approved, and it's a natural cruelty-free product. It is also PETA certified. Okay, so I'm gonna put this away. Now let's look into what's inside. This is organza bag you can keep because I think it's very cute and you can use it in there. Your products in there. So here's what you're going to be getting. I'm gonna turn this around because I want you to actually see what each one does. Now what we're trying to do is we try to put the foundations and the lip powders and the mineral blushes all, you see how we put them in shrink wrap, okay, so that it's all nicely together. This is the medium, I'm showing you the medium kit. And in the medium kit, you have 5 samples of foundation. Each one of these contain 0.2 grams of product. This is enough for you to test the product out. You have 5, this is a medium foundation. In the light foundation, you also get the light colors. And Mariah foundation comes in light and medium kit. So I figured, you know what, it's kind of borderline light medium. I actually use medium. Mariah like this, so I thought, you know what, I'll put it in both. In the medium kit, you get Samba, Toffee, Latte, Praline, and Mariah. You also get crushed mineral blush, all 5 colors. So you get Precious, Glow, Flirt, Just Cheeky, and Mocha. And I included all 3 lip powders. Okay, this is Bare Bronze, Burgundy Bloom, and Rosy Pink. These products is what you get. Now, the actual product size when you will choose the right one, the right color for the cheeks and the right color for foundation is going to be this size. This is a 5 gram size. It retails for $30. So this is a blush, okay? This is the foundation. And this is the lip powder. This is a 4 gram size lip powder. So there's a ton of product, and this set here retails for $25. So you get all of these, you can test it, you can swatch it. For the foundations, it's enough to put on probably a 1 face. But lip powders and crushed mineral blushes is gonna go a very long way for you guys because these are highly pigmented and you will be using them for at least a few times before you run out. It really is going to last you for a long time. So totally worth getting this kit for the colors, the blushes and the lip powders. It's still worth it, and you get to choose the foundation. We're also going to be adding matte foundation at no extra cost into this kit, but we are still working on those. But they will be added and there will be no extra cost to you guys. So let's open these up and see what it looks like. So when you get these, you get this perforated line here. It could be anywhere, pretty much wherever we are doing it. We are doing this by hand. All you have to do is just pull on it and open it like this. You don't need this. You take this out. Okay, so now you have your foundations, and what you do, I'm going to show you Mariah because that one is my color. You see how much foundation you get in there? It's really enough. Maybe you'll be able to do 2 times, but the way I use it, I just pick it up like this and you would apply it onto your skin. You can see that it has a little bit of like sheen to it, like a shine, but once you actually apply it, I'll show you like this, it will blend with your skin. It blends with your skin so nicely and it gives you that dewy glow. So you will apply this between the cheek and the neck, so on the jawline. This is where I like to put it. But listen, put it wherever you want. You have plenty of product in here to test it out. Now I'm going to show you the lip powders. Same idea, find the perforated line. It could be really anywhere. Do the same thing, just pull it. Open this up. We're doing it just for protection so it doesn't come out when we're shipping it. And of course for you it will be of course very easy. Now these are 3 colors of the lip powders. You're going to open it carefully. This is a ton of product, you guys. You can use it as an eyeshadow or a lip color. Again, you're going to just dip in here, okay, and swatch on your lip. And these lip colors are absolutely stunning. I'm gonna swatch them all because, you know, lip colors are very universal. It's also 0.2 grams, and your face is not the same as your hand, right? Keep that in mind. So don't try to test the foundations or lip colors on your skin. This I'm just demonstrating for you to see. So as you can see, these colors are stunning, they're gorgeous, and you get to choose from 3 colors and use them all you want. Now we're moving on to the crushed mineral blush. Again, you're going to open up twist it and that's it. Okay. So I'm gonna open them all. Okay, so this is the first blush. Okay. I'm putting it on my finger and I'm gonna swatch it here. Again, this is extremely pigmented color. I want you to see, so I'm putting a lot, but no one wears a blush this much, so you're gonna have plenty of color. This color is Flirt. The next color is called Precious. Okay. It's very pink shade, very nice pink shade. Next color is Glow. I like this one because it's kind of like a bronzy color. Kind of a bronzy color, this Glow. The next one is Just Cheeky. This one is also very nice bronzy tone, more like a nude bronze. I really like this one also. And last but not least is mocha. Okay, so here you go, all 5 shades. All 5 shades here. Okay, so these you're going to get in both kits, and it will also be in the dark kit as well. But the foundations are the ones that are going to change according to light, medium, or dark kits. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you understood what these Shabbat kits are about. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to reach out to me. Either DM me or email me info@mlacosmetics.com or call me, and I'm happy to assist you. Enjoy the rest of your day.